Welcome everyone. Today we're diving into AWS IAM, the guardian of your AWS kingdom. Think of IAM as your security guard, ensuring only the right people get access. It helps define who can do what in AWS. Trust me, without IAM, it's like leaving your house unlocked, probably not the best idea. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Alright, what exactly is IAM? Think of it as your AWS bouncer. It decides who gets in and what they can do. You can create users, assign roles, and limit permissions. IAM ensures that resources aren't accessed by just anyone. Because let's be honest, we don't want Dave from accounting launching EC2 instances accidentally. Security is like seatbelts in a car. You hope you won't need them, but when you do, you'll be glad they're there. IAM minimizes security risks by enforcing strict access controls. It helps track actions, prevents unauthorized access, and ensures compliance. Think of IAM as AWS's way of making sure you don't hand over your keys to a stranger. Think of the root user as the all-powerful ruler. It controls everything. But with great power comes great responsibility. Giving everyone root access is like handing over your car keys to a toddler, chaos guaranteed. IAM users, on the other hand, operate within defined roles, making AWS security more manageable and predictable. Adding an email to an IAM user is super helpful. It's like setting up emergency contacts on your phone. Emails allow notifications and account recovery, making sure you don't get locked out unexpectedly. Just make sure you type it correctly. AWS won't know if you accidentally enter your name at gmail.com. First things first, sign into AWS. Use your IAM credentials, not your pet's name, as a password. If you have multi-factor authentication enabled, you'll get an extra layer of security, which is always a good idea in today's digital jungle. Next, let's navigate to the IAM dashboard. It's the control panel for managing AWS users and permissions. If you're new to IAM, take a minute to explore. It's like wandering into a new city but without the fear of getting lost. Now, select the user you need to update. If you have lots of users, it's kind of like scrolling through your phone contacts. Except here, picking the wrong person can actually change access to your AWS environment. Editing user details is easy. Just click Edit and change what's needed. Double-check everything before hitting Save, because no one wants to realize they made a typo after locking themselves out. Finally, enter the email address. This ensures users receive important AWS notifications. Just remember, spelling matters. Otherwise, your emails might be floating in cyberspace forever. Alright folks, this is the moment of truth. You've filled everything in. Now hit that save button like your life depends on it. But wait, before you celebrate, let's make sure there are no sneaky typos or errors. A tiny mistake can cause chaos, so double check your work. And finally, give everything a test run to ensure your changes stick. After all, we don't want any surprises, right? We all love a good email confirmation, don't we? First, check your inbox. Yes, including the spam folder, you never know. Click that magic verification link and wait for the confirmation message. No message, no panic. Support is your best friend here. Remember, confirming your email isn't just a checkbox. It's your key to security and seamless access. IAM policies sounds fancy, right? But trust me, they're your silent guardians, your watchful protectors. These rules decide who gets to update emails, so make sure permissions are tight. No random changes allowed. Only the authorized folks should have access, and of course, reviewing logs is a must. Spot anything shady. Time to investigate. Managing IAM users is like running a well-organized team. Give people only the access they need, no more, no less. Policies should be reviewed regularly because outdated settings can spell trouble. And security. Multi-factor authentication is your best defense. Last but not least, always keep an eye on access logs. If something looks off, it probably is. Troubleshooting where heroes are made. If users can't update emails, check permissions first. No verification email. Maybe spam is playing hide and seek. IAM conflicts are another culprit, so reviewing policies can save the day. And security alerts. Well, better safe than sorry, right? Stay vigilant and you'll be the troubleshooting champ. Security isn't optional, it's essential. First rule, multi-factor authentication. No excuses. Keep email updates restricted to secure environments because open access is asking for trouble. Logs are your detective. They catch sneaky activities before they turn into problems. And don't forget to refresh IAM credentials regularly to stay ahead of any threats. IAM isn't just about access. There's a whole toolkit to explore. Roles make managing permissions a breeze, while access reviews ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Automation, a lifesaver for efficiency. And conditional access, that's the cherry on top, only allowing access under the right conditions. Pretty cool, right? Well, folks, we've covered a lot. IAM management, security, troubleshooting, it's all about keeping things safe and efficient. Remember to follow best practices and keep learning. Need more resources? Plenty are out there. Now go forth and confidently apply these changes. You've got this. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.